guys, welcome to my science experiment series. Now we are going to do science experiment number 27, which is left eye or right eye. For that, we need a switch. We need to be about 3 meters away from the switch. And if I am closing my right eye, and I should put my thumb, and if I can see the switch with any eye, then that means that eye is more dominant. If I can see with this eye when I will do like this in front of the switch, then that means that my right eye is more dominant. Okay, now let's implement this again. We need to close one of our eye. We cannot see it, but when we will open the eye which is closed by the hand, then we will be able to see it. That's right. As I have closed my left eye, so I cannot see it with only the right eye, but now I can see the switch with both eyes. Now let's type in my right. I can again see it. So that means both of my eyes are dominant. Bye. So stay tuned for my next experiment.